Okay, today, like 1 day ago, I got my drone back from repair service. I sent it to, well, when I got my drone, I put the protection plan on it. It was $3.99 plus like $45 protection plan. Repair service. I sent it to, well, when I got my drone, I put the protection plan on it. It was $3.99 plus like $45 protection plan plus tax, almost like about 500, almost 500. So yeah, this is the second time I sent it for repair. Yeah, this last time I sent it, this motor wasn't working. So you see the X, I marked it over here so they know, or they, you know, this motor wasn't working. Now I got it back. It took like, I don't know, like 15 to 20 days for them to fix it. You know, let's see. And it really works. Like the protection plan really works, because you send it, they fix it for you, and then they send it back to you. Yeah, this is the Asurion, whatever you call it. Okay, we're gonna see how it's working. We're gonna see. Okay, like you see right here, the first time the camera broke. Yeah, it fell, and the flex cable on the camera broke. Now we're gonna see if it works. Yeah, we're gonna give it a try if it works. I haven't tried it yet. I just received it yesterday, and now I got a chance to see. Okay, put it right here. We are gonna get this thing. Okay, gray, go with gray. Gray, go with gray, and right here, lock it this way. Yeah, it should be good now. And the gray, this is the one that it wasn't working when I sent it for repair. We're gonna give it a try and see if it works. No, let me see. It's this way. Yeah, this way right here. Oh no, that's black. That's why it's not working. Yeah, that's black. Yeah, black. The black that with black. Okay, let's do it. Hold on, let me see. Oh, it's this way. That's why. This way right here. It's a little bit confusing. Okay. Now the next one is gray. Okay. And it's gonna go this way. I gotta hold this because it rotates. Okay, and the last one is gonna be this way. Okay, and it's ready. We're gonna see. It's on now. This is the sheet, whatever it says right here. The name, collateral, controller, bag, whatever I sent. Phantom 3 standard. Okay, I'm gonna keep this for the records. Now I'm gonna get this thing, because in order for them to try it when they fix it, they gotta send the remote too. Okay. I mean, it takes time for them to fix it, like 15 to 20 days to fix it. Yeah, but they will fix it for you. So any device you buy at Walmart or anywhere else, always buy like a protection plan if you think it's worth it, or if you think you use it a lot. Yeah, just buy protection plan. Okay, and put it right here on my phone. And go, hold on, let me see. DJI. Skip that. Camera. Just connect it. Okay, I gotta get connected. Wi-Fi. You gotta connect to Wi-Fi. It's my Phantom. As you can see right here, my Phantom. Yeah, I think that's the one. Phantom. Whatever. I might put the password on it. No. Okay, it's connected now. Okay, it says no internet connection, but anyway, it's connected. Okay, DJI. Okay, the device default Wi-Fi password is weak. Okay. Okay. Okay, the camera. I think the camera is covered. That's why I don't see anything. Yeah, the camera is covered. It's gonna take a little pain to take it. Yeah. Okay. All right. Ready now. Okay, we're gonna give it a try. Right here. Let's see. I just got it back from. They fix it, and it's ready to. It's ready now. Let's see. But this thing is not very good at all. Okay, we wanna see. Okay. Right here's the automatic slide to take off.
Below point has been updated.
Okay. Here's the automatic slide to take off.
Below point has been updated.
Okay.